supporting the backbone of wireline communications with expert central office services. Alpine delivers turnkey solutions for central office environments, helping ensure critical telecom infrastructure operates reliably, efficiently, and in compliance with industry standards. Our services include live upgrades, backup power integration, structural support, compliance testing, equipment removal, and power distribution solutions. With nationwide coverage, carrier-focused expertise, and the ability to perform live upgrades without disrupting operations, Alpine provides dependable support for critical network infrastructure. We support telecom carriers, ISPs, enterprise facilities, data centers, government agencies, and network operators with scalable infrastructure solutions. Visit our website to learn more.